Hello guys, so in this particular video I'm going to be showing how you can be able to do express for yourself. All right, now so you go, first of all you want to go into the Alipay system, and this is how the Alipay system looks like. All right, so and then you want to look for my express. All right, my express here, so you click my express, and then after you've clicked my express, so let's say we want to send a core ID. Now you see this particular part here in blue. All right, so pay attention to the particular one in blue here. All right, so you want to go click this one. It means you din yue chi jian means to set a time to. So I've used it before, so I've filled my details. So this particular part, the one in green, is where you put your information. All right, so you put your name, the number, the city. All right, so you click here. It can pick your location directly. All right, by selecting this particular blue icon. All right, it can pick your location directly, or you can also put your location. All right, you can, if you are not sure, you can ask for your location, put your location, and you paste it, and then you select it. So after, from there, then you want to now maybe click complete. All right, because I already did it, so you want to select here, and then you want to click complete this particular part, so it will complete. And then now the other part is where you have to put the receiver's information. All right, this is very important. Make sure you put the right details. So the name of the receiver, if you have any code or something that you guys use, you can write it here. The person's phone number. All right, you put the person's phone number here, and then the city the same way. So this one you want to make sure from your address. All right, you put the right, you put the right city. All right, from province, city, and then small districts, you make sure you put those right information. All right, and then after you are finished, you want to click complete. So let me just give, for example, I'm just doing one. So you see, let's say the number is this, and then I put the details. For example, the person is in Shenzhen, the person is in, let's say, here. I'm just doing an example. Okay, so here you want to put the details, for example, the room number, the house number. So you can as well as just copy the address, or the address that you have. All right, you can copy the address and paste here. So after that, so let's just say, after that, then you click paste and then okay. All right, so after you have finished, when you click okay, so just a moment, let me get the address. Yeah, so I managed to get the address. All right, so I copied the address from WeChat. So what you want to do is you want to go into this box here. All right, this box here, and then you want to click paste. Now when you paste all the address here, you can click this blue on the right. It means it will automatically put the details into, it will fill the details for you, but you may want to change it. For example, the contact, the name is wrong, so let's say this is the person's name. And let's say if you have any kind of code, all right, because I do know that warehouses do give you guys some form of code, so you may want to add it. All right, you just find your way to go around it to make your package vary. So now I go to save. You see, this means save, and then what I want to do is I want to repaste. So yeah, so you want to select tick all the boxes and go to complete. All right, so now you can see that the details have been filled well. And then now this is where it gets interesting. You have all these options. We have John Tong Kwaidi, Shong Fong Kwaidi, that is SF, Debon Kwaidi, Yuan Tong, Shenton, all this Kwaidi. Now the Kwaidi I know that is a little bit more cheap, very, very, very cheap, is this one here, called Dearborn Kwadi. I'll try to send the name here or the picture so you guys see. This one, the third one, is very, very cheap. I know, I've used it. So Shroom phone, we know it's very fast and it's, you know, a bit more, it costs more. And then Johnton is just moderate. So Johnton and Shenton, they are moderate. And then Hyundai too is also there. Hyundai is the one here. So now after that, you want to click this particular part. So let's say I'm going to use this one, okay? Let's say I'm using this one and I click okay. So now it's going to open the mini program of Dearborn Kwadi, all right? But because I already, so it's asking me to sign up some stuff, so it's going to use Alipay to sign up automatically. Let's just wait. So I agree to the informations, and yeah, so this is where it is. So now you may want to translate the screen. Let's say you don't know what to do, you may want to translate the screen, but I can be able to read in Chinese, so no problem. And then if you have any Chinese needs, you can also contact me as well. So for example here, you can put the information of the package, all right? Let's say, what are you saying, how many kgs? Let's say, for example, what I'm sending is 10 kgs. It could be 4 kgs. And let's say how many boxes. Let's say there are 2 boxes, all right? And then yeah, so let's say if you have a special requirement, you want to tell the express guy, say for example, okay, when you are coming, please can you bring a box? I don't have a box. When you are coming, let's say I want to send a document is in addition, so please bring an envelope, or anything special you want to tell, you know, because sometimes we have special needs when we are sending things, all right? You may want to write it here in this box here provided for you where the kesa is. You may want to translate whatever you want to write into Chinese and paste it here, or you can get a Chinese friend to help you to translate what you want to translate into Chinese, and then you put here, all right? And then you may want to also add your number if you want, and then you, from there, you come to this particular part here, which is in, that has the picture icon, and then you can now click on it, and then maybe you can upload maybe a special picture or anything. Yeah, so then you go to complete. So for me, I don't really have any requirements. Okay, let me just say it should bring a box, all right? So I can say die. Okay, I can say, so I can say it should bring like 2 boxes. Yeah, I can say that. So if you want, you can even take a picture of the kind of things you want here. And then, so let's just say what I'm sending is shoes, you know, for example. Yeah, and I click complete. So you just find your way to go around it. You can choose your time. It could be today at 9, before 9 in the evening, so before tomorrow, or tomorrow in the evening. So you can choose your time. I'm sure for other queries the time might be different, all right? So this is just how you do it. And then after, you can now go to this is also to buy what is the insurance, all right? And then from here, you may want to now go to order. If I want to order now it will ask me for payment. It should be asking me for payment. Should be asking me for payments of some sort. So like, you can continue, but I'm not going to buy, so there is no need. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.